Okay, so I just went through one of the client's stuff and I put in all those messages that I told you guys to do. And yeah, so I started here, right? And already there are people responding. So like someone else responded, this person responded, this person responded, this person responded. So like this person first contacted like a few weeks ago. So I sent this, hey, about a month ago, you asked for an open house. Just exact same thing I told you guys to do, right? Bam, I got approved for 175,000, but having trouble finding a decent 3-bedroom. And in her area, this is a decent pricing. So she can find, or she can talk them up to the deal, right? So then I just happen to be here, so I got the phone number, and basically, this is the deal. This person, responded. This person went through and, yeah. So let's go back to the beginning. So I sent this message out, right? And then she hit thank you, and then she clicked on it, and it's now it's going through the IDX broker thing. So now, she is now a lead inside this client's thing, and it's also sending her a open house list. So for just a little, so she's gotten a bunch of activity. And by the way, she already has a deal in the hopper. So someone's already been approved, and they're placing an offer on a house. And then there's all these other people, and this guy, while we're talking, is doing it. So we've got Mario that wants to be contacted, Lori that wants to be contacted, and then here's Abu. I'm not sure what. Yeah. So basically, that's it. So this is just activity, so far. And we started things with her in December. So figure in about a month, she's gotten 60 leads, and she's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no worries. Okay, so hold on. So basically, yeah. So this is what's happening. So I'm hoping that it happens for you guys. It should. So far, it's happened for every person that we put on the list. It just takes a little time. All right. Thanks.